Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm actually gonna bring you into the life of a cheap YouTuber. No, I'm sorry, but I wanted to make a DIY stand for my mic, and I'm just gonna try and use whatever I have here at home. Let's hope it's not too much of a mission, but first got to get everything ready. Come along, let's see what we can do. So as you can see from there, a good start to the project, building a mic stand. Got the base sorted, now I just have to put in the adjustable arms. And stay with me, I'll give you some more things to do. First, gotta go check on Amy. Okay, so here you go. We've got the stand here. Next step is to put these on the side, one on either side, one here and one here. Going to be quite interesting because I put a nail through the middle. So let's see how it goes. Nearly pinched my skin there. Take this and mount it like that, and that should then allow me to adjust it pretty easily. Next step after that is to put the next coming out of there. So far so good. Let's keep going. Okay, there we are. Just a lunch break. I'm going to give you an update on the build so far. As you can see, it's like that. Let's see what we can do. Hey guys, so sorry, it took me a bit of a while there to get the adjustment perfect, but I can tell you now that it's such an epic thing to have now that I've adjusted it and got it just right. I think the sound quality is greatly improved. Let me give you just a live example here. If I move it back towards the camera, what difference it makes. Particularly if you have a shotgun mic as well, make sure it's always pointing towards you, as I previously mentioned. But let's go and change it. Okay, so there it is, up on the camera. Huge difference, no? Let me bring it back down. Bring it back down to here. You can hear the richness of the microphone now. So much better. Being just that little bit closer and being pointed in the right direction is a huge help. Now, if you stayed this long, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up if you like the content, or consider subscribing to our channel. There'll also be links to these See how I changed there? There'll also be links to these t-shirts in our in the description below. We have white ones as well. These ones are pretty cool. We got for both the ladies and the gentlemen. So go ahead and check those out in the links in the description below. We hugely appreciate it. It helps us bring you more content here at CM Travels. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.